Kate here with WTI. Now, if you've ever been stranded with a dying phone battery, you know the importance of having a power bank. This one comes in a set of two. It's from AsperX. They've been such a lifesaver. I love how well they work, so simple, and the best part is you can charge up to 3 devices at once. How convenient is that? So I love these for travel, to put in my backpacks when we're going anywhere. I love it to slip into my purse. They are so thin and compact that it fits even in my tiny little bag with no issues at all. My husband can use it in his heated jacket. The number of uses for this is endless. It comes with a little charger so you can charge this up, and then you can charge a device from empty to full easily and have some extra juice to spread around on other devices as well. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android chargers, and of course it also has the USB ports. So if you want to be prepared when you are away from home, when you're away from a charger, I think this is an excellent way to charge on the go. You definitely need to pick yourself up one or a set of 2 like I have, and that's my point of view.